We have all suffered through presentations that are really PowerPoint read-alongs where the audience completely tunes out. But used the right way, slides can actually make your ideas stand out and be remembered. My firm helps companies create persuasive presentations, and we've created over 250,000 of them. And here's how we approach slide development. First, we use slides selectively. If you're in a small, informal setting, we encourage clients to ditch the slides. Instead, spend time shaping a conversation. Use the whiteboard or prepare a few graphics to collaborate around. It's easier to make a personal connection without slides in the mix. Second, we write the slides after we've prepared the speech. When you're creating a presentation, it's going to be really tempting to dive right into the slide software. But that software forces you to think about your content linearly and in small chunks. Instead, hammer out what you want to say and then think about the visuals that you need to support it. That way, you're going to craft your whole message instead of little bitty slide parts. Next, we create slides that people can understand in 3 seconds. People can only process one stream of information at a time. So if your slide is too complicated, they're going to be reading it instead of listening to you. So you need to simplify the visual content by only putting elements on the slide that are there for the audience to help remember what you've said. To keep slides simple, we storyboard one concept per slide. If you absolutely need to have more than one concept on a slide, use a build so that people won't be distracted by too much information at once. Before you open up your slide software, sketch out your slides on Post-it notes. The tiny size constraint will force you to simplify them, and then it lets you rearrange them really easily. And finally, remember that slides are a visual medium. Use an informative diagram, an interesting chart, or a photograph that helps make your point. Don't just project the words that you're saying aloud onto a giant screen. If you really want people to have an outline of what you're saying, then just give them a handout. With a little bit of thoughtful preparation of your visuals, we can stop boring presentations and make your next speech more persuasive.